We all are quite familiar with German engineering and how good they are. So after World War II, the world was quite pissed at the Germans. So the British and the Allies all came to dismantle the industrial framework that the Germans had built and took everything. The planes, the U-boat, and even the rockets. And along with all those things came this little feisty thing. It was called the DKW RT 125, a name which you and I will immediately forget. BSA was among the big four of Britain, the others being Royal Enfield, Triumph and Norton. So when the time came, BSA swooped in, took the German bike and made their own and called it BSA Bantam. This is the most copied bike of the era. Harley Davidson and even Yamaha made their own version of it. Around 1 million of these were produced by various manufacturers around the world. A handful of those made it to India. This one right here is restored to its former glory by our friend Karan Lokhande from Motomatic Restoration. Look at it. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Let me remind you, this is 80 years old.
The BSA Bantam may have been produced decades ago, but its design doesn't look out of place even today. In fact, it's still a head-turner on the road. The classic lines, distinctive exhaust pipes and iconic silhouette make it a beloved favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. It's amazing to think that a machine from an earlier era can still capture the hearts of modern-day riders. This bike is a testament to the timelessness of great design and German engineering. Throughout its run, the bike pretty much remained unchanged, maintaining the same performance and reliability that had made it popular with the riders. However, there was one notable change, the position of the gear lever. BSA moved it from the left side to the right side, which was a common sight for British motorcycles of this era.
The models came in different engines. There was a 125cc, 150cc and a 175cc, either with a 3-speed or 4-speed gearbox. And the power figures ranged from 4.5 bhp all the way to 12.6 bhp. That is insane. And they took this everywhere. They tried to break land speed records with this, went on trial runs all over Europe, and even the freaking Isle of Man on this. I wonder how they felt while doing that.
Surtees is winner of the TT Senior event for the 3rd time in succession.
Nevertheless, it doesn't matter what you have between your legs. It's how you use it that counts. On that note, this is Aftab signing off. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and rev hard.